Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nvidia price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting with the overview here for Nvidia and the all-time history to see where are we in this chart and where are we heading. We have 1212 here, and then we're looking of course for wave 3, very long wave 3, and then 4 and a 5. Now your wave 3 of course finished here for this yellow count, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Potentially finished wave 5, and with it it has finished a wave 3, and we're looking potentially right now for a wave 4 in the orange count, and then looking for higher later on. As you can see, your wave 2 in the orange is very sharp and very shallow in time, meaning your wave 4 might be also the same, shallow in time. It can be even of course sideways somehow, it can be a bigger flat somehow like this, and we're gonna see of course what's gonna happen inside it exactly. However, higher possibility that we have topped here for wave 5, we have topped for wave 3 as well in the orange, and we're looking for this wave 4 in orange. Let's move on the daily. On the daily, you can see inside this wave 5 we have potentially finished 5 waves toward the upside, right? We have 1 2 3 4 and a 5. Your wave 5 is a nice impulse finished, 1 2 3 4 5, and currently you're looking for an A, B, and a C, of course, as a flat here, of course, for 3-wave corrective. In case we are in a bigger or longer correction, it can transform to 3 waves up again, and 1 2 3 4 5 even for a longer wave 4 here. If we dive a little bit deeper inside it as well, we move here on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, of course, let's zoom in. We can see, of course, this wave 5 where we have potentially topped here, of course, for the wave 5 or wave 3. We're looking at 3 waves down and then 3 waves up. And currently, we're looking potentially here for an impulse, 1 2 and another 1 2 and then 3 4 5 4 5. Meaning it can be possibly that we have double 1 2. Or it can be that this is a W, X, and a Y, all of it. All of this is a W, X, and a Y, as you can see, where we have a W, X, and of course wave Y toward the downside. Now we see that this is an impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, definitely, and we're looking for a wave 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside. In case that this is an A, B, and a C, of course, we're looking to an expanding flat, meaning the targets are between the 1.618, 1.38. This is our blue box, of course, $83 and $75. Now, if we dive a little bit deeper as well inside it, let's move inside this. We can see, of course, that we have a target here as 1-to-1 fib level, taken potentially if we have a zigzag only here as an A, B, and a C. If this is the case scenario, of course, therefore we are in kind of like WXY, potentially finishing 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. If we move inside the 1-hour chart here, we can see, of course, our counting for this wave toward the downside. We have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 is not finished yet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 currently, of course, and still looking for a wave 5 to hit perfectly the 1-to-1 fib level or the 1.05 for a regular flat here, potentially, or a zigzag, but much higher possibility that it can be, of course, a zigzag where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave A, and then wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 again for a wave C in a zigzag. Then we're gonna re-estimate, of course, after this low. If we see a rebound toward the upside, meaning, of course, potentially that we are in WXY, big WXY, this is your wave Y formation here, with 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then continuation toward the downside, meaning finishing a big wave Y in 3 waves. If that is the case scenario, of course, if we rebound, and if we don't rebound and we still keeping moving toward the downside, meaning this can be, of course, the formation of a big 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 after having, of course, here 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Very long impulse to hit perfectly, of course, our blue box here as 1.38, 1.618, in, of course, an expanding flat. 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That was it for NVIDIA. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.